1 million people on Mars by 2050. That's not just science fiction, it's Elon Musk's next big goal. But spoiler alert, it might be a bit of a stretch. And, well, it's not the first bold thing Musk has said about life on the red planet. He even suggested nuking the Martian poles to kickstart an atmosphere. I mean, Elon buddy. Maybe not the best first impression, so here's the plan. In 2020, Musk tweeted that he'd get 1 million people on Mars by 2050. The blueprint? Build 1,000 reusable starships, each able to carry 100 people, launch them every 26 months when Earth and Mars align, an instant Martian metropolis. Except, let's break this down. Building 1,000 reusable starships? SpaceX hasn't exactly kept to the timeline yet. The first Starship went boom twice, and as of October 2024, SpaceX has had 3 successful Starship launches out of 5. Here's the kicker. Even if he pulls this off, SpaceX can only launch every 26 months when Earth and Mars are close enough. And to get 1 million people there by 2050, Elon needs to ship 100,000 humans to Mars per launch window, starting in, checks notes, 2029. Yeah, that's 5 years from now, and we haven't even had 1 human land on Mars yet. So hurry up, SpaceX. And speaking of getting there, Elon says the Starship will provide gravity by spinning a bit. But spinning a spacecraft that's only 30 feet wide would feel like the world's worst amusement park ride. To make the spin comfortable, it'd have to be the size of a football field. So, unless SpaceX's next big thing is a cosmic Ferris wheel, it's not looking too comfy. And then there's Martian gravity. It's only about 38% of Earth's. Not ideal when you're hoping to start a whole civilization there. But hey, who doesn't want bird leg syndrome? Okay, if we survive the gravity ride, there's still a big deal breaker: radiation. Musk says it's minor, but research doesn't exactly agree. Cosmic rays and solar radiation can cause cancer, vision problems, and even nervous system issues. Basically, not great for human survival. And Mars has no protective magnetic field or thick atmosphere like Earth. So to shield us, we'd need either walls of water, super heavy, or a fancy underground bunker. How cozy. Now let's talk real estate. Musk imagines glass domes on Mars. Picture it. Skyscrapers, restaurants, maybe even Martian Starbucks. But in reality, it's a little risky. Mars has dust storms, massive temperature swings, and random meteors. Oh, and these beautiful glass domes would need to be pressurized, insulated, and basically meteor-proof. Maybe in a few centuries, but for now, underground shelters or Martian lava tubes are the safest, albeit less Instagrammable options. As feeding 1 million, Martians cut to plants in hydroponic systems. And what about food? Musk suggested hydroponics, growing plants in water. But not every plant can grow this way, and Martian soil has toxic perchlorate salts. So we'd be munching on salads, a lot of salads. Also, hydroponics is power hungry, and Mars only gets half the sunlight Earth does. Nuclear power seems like a solid backup, but that's another challenge. And sorry, no Martian McDonald's aren't fitting in hydroponics anytime soon. Terraforming Mars with nukes. Then there's Elon's nuke, the poles theory. His idea. Exploding nuclear bombs on Mars's ice caps would release CO2, thickening the atmosphere, so we'd all breathe easy, in theory. But Mars lacks a magnetic field, meaning any atmosphere created would just float away. Plus, nuking another planet probably wouldn't win us any cosmic popularity points. So, can we get 1 million people on Mars by 2050? Maybe, someday, with a lot of money and even more miracles. But hey, Elon's dream is still pushing space technology forward, and who knows, maybe a few of us will make it there, just a bit later than planned. Until then, enjoy the ride. Our own space adventures just getting started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures, and we'll catch you on the next one.